Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen not responding to touches on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold power button. After just click and hold power button, so restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so remove protector. After remove screen protector, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. After click on software update, you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen not responding to touches on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.